How to remove all of the Instagram likes at once.
So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download the WhatsApp business application on a device. So first thing first, head over to your Play Store and simply search in for WhatsApp business application. And once you search it, you will see the WhatsApp business application with the WhatsApp LLC theme on it, like this. As you can see, text on it. So if you can spot it from here, you just have to simply click on install and wait for some time for it to download and install. Let me just show you. As you can see, it has been successfully downloaded and simply installed. So from here, what you can do is simply click on agree and continue and use your particular phone number. Click on continue, allow everything that it wants, that your WhatsApp wants or what you want, and wait for some time. And it will ask you to verify some code. And once it verifies your code, your verification will be completed, and it will just transfer your chats and media from your personal account to WhatsApp business account. And you can set your name from over here. You can also select the category from over here, like this, and then done. You can skip these processes like this, and it's done. So that's exactly how you can download and create a WhatsApp business account on your device. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.